I am so pleased that all of you are joining us today to be in part of this important milestone in the educational journey of UBC Faculty of Dentistry's dental hygiene and dental students. Due to the reality of the COVID-19 global pandemic, the white coat ceremony has been re-envisioned for 2020. This is a novel and creative format that has allowed us to extend a broader virtual invitation for all of our students, family, and friends, as well as our dental alumni community. With the assistance of our students embracing yet another challenge, each of you will take part in this very special occasion. Now, in the past, the ceremonial tradition of coating each student would include a selected clinical faculty member presenting each student with their clinical coat. Tonight, students have been asked to incorporate those most meaningful in their lives, those within their personal pod, to play a central role in the celebration. So please enjoy this sentimental presentation honoring the class of 2023.
Good evening. My name is Andrea Esteves and I'm your Associate Dean for Clinical Affairs. I'm thrilled with the opportunity to welcome each one of you to our first ever online White Coat celebration for the class of 2023. So what is the White Coat ceremony? Well, it is a tradition that started in the 90s in medical schools in the United States, and since then has spread to other health science disciplines across the globe. It is a ceremony that marks the transition of students from their initial studies in the classroom, and in your case, many hours practicing with the mannequin head, to now treating the public. It is a rite of passage in a journey toward a career in healthcare and serves as a symbolic welcome into the dental and dental hygiene professions. So, wearing a white coat not only symbolizes the privilege of treating patients, but also highlights the great responsibilities that come with the profession. This is an occasion to support collegiality and profile the responsibilities that come with the care of patients right there in our dental clinic. And during these very unusual times, it also shows how hard you work to get here and the necessary resilience you display to deal with the challenges. Class of 2023, wear your white coats with a sense of integrity, pride, and professionalism.
Good evening, everyone. I'm delighted to join you in celebration of our students' accomplishments and their transition into an important part of their education in this faculty. We celebrate your development into primary healthcare providers. Your knowledge to date has prepared you for the privilege of working with members of the public who trust and expect you to be their advocate. Inside the pocket of your white coat, you will find a wallet-sized card. The text on this card speaks to our Faculty of Dentistry's professional standards and code of ethics and outlines the responsibilities that we know you will uphold throughout your duration as a student practitioner in all practice settings. Congratulations to the UBC Faculty of Dentistry Dental Hygiene class of 2023. I'd now like to introduce Jennifer Lawrence, Registrar of the College of Dental Hygienists of British Columbia, to speak on behalf of the college.
Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Lawrence and I'm the Registrar and CEO of the College of Dental Hygienists of BC. Thank you for providing me the honor of addressing the UBC Dental Hygiene class of 2023. While today's white coat ceremony is a little different than what we're used to, it is still the first important step towards becoming a professional. You are now making the transition from your preclinical studies to direct patient care. While the clinical skills you will be learning are no doubt very important, learning your responsibilities will be as a regulated professional are of high importance as well. While it will be some time before you will apply for the entry into the profession of dental hygiene, it's never too soon to embrace the concepts of professional conduct and code of ethics. I congratulate you on reaching this important milestone and wish you all the best as you continue your education. I know these are challenging times, but I am very confident you will successfully navigate these challenges and be the better for it. I now ask you to recite the words on the slide with me. I will represent the values and ethics of the profession of dental hygiene, will hold paramount the health and welfare of the clients in my care, and will act professionally in order to maintain the trust placed in myself and the profession as a whole. Again, congratulations on this milestone, and I wish you the best of luck.
Hello everyone, my name is Christina and I am one of your clinical representatives for this upcoming school year. Firstly, I would just like to congratulate everyone for successfully completing our first year of dental hygiene. That's super exciting, and now we get to be in clinic, which is even more exciting. It feels like just yesterday we were introducing ourselves in Dental Hygiene 110. Upon entering the program, we quickly learned that we weren't just teeth cleaners, which I'm sure we all knew prior to entering the program. We have the opportunity to provide and promote oral health care to those in need, which in turn benefits their overall health.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashley and I'm also your clinic representative for this year. Getting our white coats is a huge accomplishment that symbolizes the transition in becoming a healthcare professional. These coats do welcome us to a new chapter in our dental career, and I do look forward to witnessing the growth of all our colleagues as we grow more accustomed to our acquired skills in clinic. Moreover, to use these skills and knowledge to better serve and care for our community, faculty, and fellow students. Although it'll look a bit different this year, as you've heard many times already, we as a cohort can work together and get through it. Just like what Dory says, when life gets you down, just keep smiling.
Dear members of the DMD class of 2023, my name is Dr. Eli Whitney and I have the privilege of serving as the DMD Curriculum Director. Dentistry is a noble, respected profession, and I would like to take this moment to welcome you to the next stage of your learning. Today we recognize your progression into clinical dental training. Going forward, the public will come to you for your knowledge, skills, and expertise. They will be placing their trust in you, and you will be responding with care and empathy. What you learn from your patients can never be taught in books. You will help to shape our profession. I am now pleased to introduce a message from the American College of Dentists.
Good evening. It is my honor and pleasure to be representing the American College of Dentists at this inaugural virtual celebration. The American College of Dentists has always been an enthusiastic supporter of and friend to the UBC Faculty of Dentistry's White Coat Ceremony. And this year, we are also excited to be the event's primary sponsor. These white coats encourage us toward a unified ethic of social and professional responsibility, and they stir us to reflect on the pillars of excellence and leadership. These white coats are a gateway into a profession that will continue to teach you about healing, illness, hardship, joy, and the full measure of human emotion. Each and every one of you deserves a path that is brilliant and spectacular. But for this dream to be actualized, you will have to work hard to impact your community and to support a more informed and engaged profession. We need your enthusiasm, we need your energy, we need your involvement. I understand that all of the students received a copy of the ACD Ethics Card a few weeks ago. I invite you to reflect on each of the 9 core values and commit to including them into your personal and professional story. These core values are autonomy, beneficence, compassion, competence, integrity, justice, professionalism, tolerance, and veracity. On behalf of the ACD and the Dentists of BC, congratulations. We wish you a successful year and look forward to how you will define, redefine, and shape the future of our dental profession.
Good evening, faculty, family, friends, and of course, the class of 2023. My name is Melissa Liu.
And my name is Harmon Malhans, and we are the clinic representatives for the UBC Faculty of Dentistry DMD class of 2023.
First and foremost, we'd like to thank everyone for joining us today, wherever you are, and it's our honor to be speaking on behalf of our class on what this ceremony means to us. This might not be the white coat ceremony we had envisioned, but I couldn't imagine a class more ready and more willing to adapt and take on the challenges that we will be presented with as we try and navigate a new normal. And even though we can't celebrate in person today, knowing the class of 2023, we will find a way to celebrate when it's safe to do so.
The white coat ceremony marks a milestone in our clinical careers. This white coat represents the trust that is being placed on us to act as honest, ethical, and competent professionals. As we start the transition from simulation work to patient care, we are committed to hold ourselves to a high standard and continue to grow and learn as we enter the dental profession. We've been through a lot in the past year, and I think we should be proud of how far we've come. If you came up to me a year ago and told me that a maturing amoeboblast cell develops a cytoplasmic extension that secretes an enamel protein matrix that initiates the mineralization and orientation of enamel crystals, I would have called you a lunatic and said, let's make that a PBL learning issue. But now, I can confidently tell you, yeah, in fact, that's the TOMS process.
There's a few people we want to thank for helping us get here. First of all, thank you to our mannequins for being the best and most cooperative patients. They never missed a single appointment or showed up late, and never once complained when we accidentally drilled into the wrong tooth. Thank you to our instructors for their expertise and guidance, and for not laughing at our definitely divergent walls of our first Class 1 amalgam preps, our open contacts and overhangs on our first Class 2 amalgam restos, or our 5, 6, 7, sometimes even 8 millimeter deep preparations. And for those of you wondering what that means, it basically means we messed up. But thankfully, I think it's safe to say that we've all improved since our first preps and restos, and will continue to improve moving forward. Thank you to our family and friends for supporting us every step of the way throughout this journey and beyond, and for putting up with us during quarantine the past few months. And finally, to the class of 2023, we know there will be many challenges along the way, both in dental school and throughout our professional careers as dentists, but if there's anyone that can overcome these challenges, it's us. Thank you.
Thank you.